Totoo na tumataas ang bilang ng HIV cases sa bansa, lalo na sa mga kabataan. Totoo ang narinig nating mga balita, pero hindi lang yan ang buong kwento. Behind those numbers are people like me. I am one of those who got tested for HIV. I am one of those who started treatment. I am one of those now receiving the care and support that did not exist before. Yan ang bahagi ng kwento na hindi natin kadalasang naririnig, but it matters. More people are getting tested. More people are asking questions. More people are aware. Para ito sa mga kaibigan nating nawala dahil sa hiya at takot. Para ito sa mga naiwan nilang mga mahal sa buhay. Para ito sa mga kabataan. Para ito sa pangarap. Para mabuhay. Because living with HIV today is not what it used to be. There is life, there is hope, and there is help. Pumunta sa pinakamalapit na Love Yourself Hub o mag-reach out online sa Embrace Virtual Hub. This is progress, and we need to keep pushing forward. Kung gusto mong maging bahagi ng isang stigma-free community, I challenge you to create your own version of this video. Itag nyo kami at ang Love Yourself sa lahat ng social media platforms. Let's not let fear win. Let's respond with love, knowledge, and action. Let's keep the conversation going. Ako po si Adrian Lindayag, isang person living with HIV, undetectable status. Tandaan, U equals U. Undetectable is equal to untransmittable. Ingat!